Hey guys, it's Maymay and welcome to our August 2021 Stamp Club reveal. I can't even believe it. Where has the year gone? It has been so fast and it'll be Christmas before we know it. I know we just got through Christmas in July, but it'll be Christmas before we know it. Now, this is not a Christmas set. This is the cutest set you've ever laid your eyes on. I'm not even joking. And I enjoyed making samples for this one so much. And you just want to see it, but before I show it to you, I'm going to tell you two things. Number one, subscribe to my channel. Be sure to click the red button. It's free. Go ahead and subscribe and join the stamp club. Why not? It's such a good price. It's such a good deal. You get a fresh brand new stamp every month and you get a discount in our store as a stamp club member. It's pretty cool. All right, ready? Here it is. Oh, I had to make sure you can see it in the camera because I don't have a monitor today. This is Mice is Nice. Look how stinking cute this is. It says, have a nice day. Congrats. Happy birthday. I love your cheesy grin. This one says, it's so nice to see you again. This was important to us because we felt like people were getting together again and we wanted to say it's so nice to see you again. How about that's something to squeak about? And did someone say cheese cake? There's a dash in between there because it's cheesecake. And then look at your mice. They're so adorable with the big old cake and the big old hunk of cheese. And this is a little hole in the wall for the mice to live in and some crumbs. Now let me show you my samples because I'm super excited about them. I made all the samples this time. I brought the stamps at home and just played and I had the most fun. Look at this one. This says, that's something to squeak about. And I used the little guy with the balloon and did a little bit of faint coloring, nothing real like detailed. I just wanted a little bit of color on him, little shadow, some fun papers. And these are those Dress My Craft like liquid dots. I use those and I love those. Now let's look at the next one. I don't know which one I want to show you next. Oh, I'll show you this one. Okay, check this one out. I wanted to do the cheese all the way around like this. This is a very cheesy card, right? And then have this little mouse dreaming of a cake. And you see the little dream dots, and this is the little caption bubble. And then it says, did someone say cheesecake? And you guys, I did this one with 2 shades of Nuvo markers. I just did a darker yellow and a lighter yellow, and everything kind of blended into the yellow of the page. And I really love how that one turned out. So there's sample number 2. And then I think my favorite sample, possibly my favorite, is this one. Look at this little guy. So I took some wood background paper and I stamped the little mouse hole, his little home right there, did some shading, did a little baseboard right here, did a little more marker shading in this area to make it look like the floor. And if you see right here, I added a little line and some more shading to make it look like the wall. It's not great, but you get the point. I think that's super cute. Look at this little mouse leaning on the cheese. And then it says, I love your cheesy grin. And I made a little rug. Do you see these little pieces are all loose so you can see how they move like a little rug? I think that's so cute. And that's just a piece of pattern paper. I want to say that's from the Mente Farm, the farm collection. I can't remember the name of it, but I just did that little piece, added some little dots and dashes and cut some little fringe, and I think it looks super cute. So there are your samples. I cannot wait to see what you guys do with this set. And let me tell you something. A lot can be done with it. A lot. Like when I was playing, I was like, I think this is one of my favorite sets we've done in a long time. And I did use all the mice, but I didn't use all the sentiments. I love this big happy birthday and this big congrats. I didn't even get to those. So I think you're really going to enjoy this set. Now remember, we do a giveaway every month and it's a $50 gift card to our store. And all you have to do to enter is make a project using the stamp set and post it to our customer gallery and you can win. Now the winner for last month will be listed in the description below. So be sure to go check that out. The first line will say who won from last month. So congratulations to you. And there you go. Those are my projects with our Mice is Nice stamp set. By the way, you can pick this up if you're not in the club. It is available in the store for you as well. Thanks so much for being here today. And thanks for being a part of our club. We really appreciate you guys. And until next time, bye now.